what can I do for my community? What can you do for your community? That's what this is about. All right? So I have some real good people. Come over here, Andrew, real quick.
Right here.
This is Andrew again, right over here. One of my partners, you know, been extremely, extremely helpful to our school. We communicate, knows the needs of our school. We reach out and we get it done. We got Kevin Kentish right over here. You know what I'm saying? My partnership manager. Again, surround yourself with people that are gonna bring you solutions, not problems, not complaints, right? Surround yourself with a team that's gonna help. Because at the end of the day, we can sit here and complain all we want to about what's going on. We can blame. Oh, let me tell you, we can blame, right? We can blame, we can complain, right? Not into that. I'm into putting my boots on, right? Getting in here and taking care of my community. That's what this is about. So I want to encourage you guys.